welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing this look right here. This is inspired by Ariana Grande's new music video 7 Rings, and this is one of the makeup looks that she did, something similar to it. But before we get right on into the video, if you guys could go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, that would help me out a lot. And also all my social medias are going to be listed down below, so go ahead and give those a follow. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just going into MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre, and I'm putting that on my lids using the M173 brush, and this is in the James Charles brush collection that I just started using not too long ago. Now I'm going into the Too Faced Gingerbread palette, and as you can see, it's a super gorgeous palette, and I'm just going into a brownish shade called Gingerbread Latte, and I'm putting that all over my crease just to give it a nice base color, because in the photo Ariana had more of a little brown and then it was pink. It wasn't like a hot pink, so I did this just to tone the pink down a little bit before I actually put the pink on. And I'm using the M433 brush, and this was my first time using this brush and I really liked it. It blended out the shadows really well. So now I'm just blending that same shade onto my other lid. And all of the product descriptions are going to be down below in the description box. So now I'm going into the shade Gumdrop, which is like a hot pink shade in the pan, but as you can see, I'm just putting that everywhere I put the brown, and I'm putting that basically in my crease and just a little bit like all over my lid with the same Morphe brush. And it's not showing up as hot pink as it is in the pan, so it's just giving me a nice wash of pink. Of course I could build it up more, but I'm just going in very lightly with that. Okay, so now I'm taking this super gorgeous shade called Frostbite Me, and I'm taking that on my finger and just blending that all over my lid, but I'm mainly concentrating that just on the middle and sort of lower part of my lid, and then I'm gradually bringing it up, but I'm mostly blending it on my actual lid rather than the crease, but I am bringing it up all the way where you see where the pink ends. As you can see here, what a difference that Frostbite Me makes on the lid. It just makes it look super beautiful. And I'm going in with my Bobbi Brown eyeliner, and I'm going in with the M2501 brush. This is just a really super thin eyeliner brush, and in the picture Ariana has a super thin eyeliner, so that is the look I'm doing today. I'm not showing all my eyeliner, but some of the stuff. Now I'm going into one of my favorite moisturizers. This is the Tatcha Water Cream Moisturizer, and I'm just scooping that all over my face and just rubbing that in. And my next video actually will be a review on this product, so stay tuned, subscribe if you want to check that out. And now I'm going into the Farsali Skintune Blur, and I'm just putting that all over my skin. It was a little hard to get out of the container, like when you were squeezing it, it wasn't really coming out. But I made it work, and now I'm just blending that all into my skin. So now I'm going to take these two foundations and actually mix them, because I do not currently have a foundation that actually matches my skin tone. So what I do, I take about 3 pumps of the Mercier foundation, and then I just dot the Loreal foundation just to give it a nice even skin tone, because if I put too much of the Loreal foundation, then it would be too dark for my skin. But I really need to go get a new foundation, guys. If you have any recommendations on what foundation I should get or try out, then just leave it in the comments section down below. Now I'm just going into my Tarte ShapeTape concealer in the shade Tan Sand, and I'm just blending that out with my beauty blender. And then next up I'm going in with my Mercier translucent setting powder and just putting that everywhere where I put the foundation. And also I'm going to put that on my upper lip because I do have an issue with my upper lip foundation coming off during the day. And now I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in the shade Dark Brown and just filling in my brows. If you guys want an updated brow tutorial, just let me know also in the comment section down below. I will be more than happy to film that. And then I'm going in with my Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette, and I'm just mixing all these 3 contour shades and just putting that on my cheek and on my jawline and on my forehead, and I'm doing the same to the other side as well. And now I'm going in with one of my favorite drugstore blushes. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon in the shade Mellow Wine. And I'm going a little bit heavy on the blush because in the picture and in the video, Ariana has a lot of blush on. And now I'm going in with a sort of pinkish brown lip liner, and this is the NYX one in the shade Ever. So I'm just basically lining my lips and then just filling them in with that same lip liner. Now I'm going in with the Tarte Lip Bling, and I'm just putting that on my lips, just right on top of the lip liner, because in the picture and video, Ariana has sort of a shiny lip. So that is the one I'm using today. Then I'm going in to mascara with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just putting that on my lashes. And I'm not putting actual lashes on, but this is where you're more than welcome to actually put actual lashes on. I just suck at putting lashes on, so that's why I didn't. And now I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy Highlighter and just putting that on my cheeks, and I'm putting that on my nose. So in the picture and the video, Ariana was super highlighted, so I'm just going in heavy with the highlighter. And you guys can also follow this tutorial as a Valentine's Day look. Now I actually plan on doing an actual Valentine's Day look, but this is a good look as well. And this is the end result. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did find it helpful in any way, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That would help me out a lot. And I'll see you guys in my next video.